Hello, Home Chef. Welcome to the Walk Life. I'm Will, and this is my playground. I'm going to make egg fried rice. It's one of my most comfortable comfort food that I can have when I'm craving carb, but I don't want to just carb. This is my go-to, and it comes together so easy and quickly. Hot wok here, starting off with eggs. Don't even bother beating them. I really like the contrast of yellow and white in my rice. So just like this, mix and you're gonna have that nice color. And you wanna cook it to about 70% there, and then just wanna go ahead and pick it up. Comes right up. Bits here, and you'll come right back. Because it's just egg and rice, I'm using a lot of fragrance to really enhance the flavor. Always can use overnight rice, but I like freshly cooked as well. I actually find it easier when it's warm. And when it's warm, it just breaks apart a lot easier. So even with overnight rice and coming out of the fridge, it's clumpy and just blocky. Warm it up in microwave for roughly a minute, it'll be okay. I have garlic and ginger going in. I'm gonna have mostly of the white part of the onion going in. I actually want it a little bit, still a little bit rawness to it, so you don't want to cook it to a burn. Then rice going in, like that, simple. Your intention might want to go like this, and to break it apart, actually press it a little bit. When you're breaking it like this, it breaks the rice, and actually make it very sticky. It releases the starch coming out, and it will make it even more clumpy and might even stick to your pot if you're not careful. So just pat it down and break apart the rice. A little toss. Before going with the soy sauce, I'm just gonna have some white pepper. Lots of white pepper going in. Stir. When you see no big clumps of rice, the egg is ready to go in. Nice white and yellow marble in here, lovely. Press it too, just break it apart. It's thoroughly mixed, so we're gonna add in the rest of the onion. And then, as usual by now, you know, a little bit of soy sauce burning around. You don't want too much because you want to keep the rice dry. Give it a toss. Then you can really taste and smell the soy sauce burning off the edge of the wok and the fragrance of the eggs. And just like that, the egg fried rice comes together. Let's go ahead and plate. Fluffy rice, eggs, and everything coming together. A bit left over, but that's okay. Let's have a taste. Let's see. Fluffy, simple, and really the best fried rice is you don't need too much. Eggs, onion. It is so simple yet delicious. I hope you give this fried rice a try. It can be any night. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.